Just wanted to have a quick conversation with you about why hands-free is important. So here I am driving down a twisty back street in Christchurch and realising I need to make a phone call back to work to, sort out bits and pieces, as you do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Android Auto system built into the vehicle I'm driving and use the voice control to make a phone call. Okay Google, call JC Installs.
Calling JC Installs, mobile.
Hello Nathan, it's Josh here. Just ringing to quickly check up how everything's going. Sorry we've been out making some videos.
Fair enough. It's been a pretty good afternoon. We've been trucking through the old work in the workshop, and I believe Ben's just doing the finishing touches to the Sora we've got in at the moment.
Beautiful mate, beautiful. Alright, well if there's anything you need, give me a yell.
While you're out, could you pick up a 3 litre of milk? I think Abby used the last of it this morning when she was in here.
Alright, no problem. I shall get that organised. Thanks mate. Talk
Awesome.
soon.
Cheers mate.
Cheers buddy.
Right.
Bye.
Bye.
And that is why you need hands-free.